Hello everyone, today I'll show you how to convert sub-bookmarks to normal bookmarks in your PDF file using Foxit PDF Editor. Open your PDF file with Foxit PDF Editor and click on this home option, and this left sidebar you will find this bookmark option. Click here, and this is sub-bookmark. I'll make this sub-bookmark as normal bookmark. First I'll make this text 3, this one I'll make normal bookmark. Click on this bookmark and select. Now click right button for your mouse cursor and select this level up. See this. Again click level up and see this one now created normal bookmark. Also I'll make this one as a normal bookmark. Here also you'll find this option icon. Click here and simply select level up. And see this one make now normal bookmark. And similarly you can make it sub bookmark. Level down and select here again, level down, and see this sub bookmark now created. Yeah, this is. And finally select this file option, save or save as your PDF file. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share and comments.